everyone, Happy New Year to you all. So 2022 has already begun, and is your New Year resolution that I'm going to learn something new in this year, I'm going to be more creative? So you are at the right channel. I am Sajeevta Ratan and I'm an artist, a fashion designer and a fashion illustrator. You must have thought someday that after seeing some good sketch or a portrait, that how can I make a good portrait, how can I sketch this, how can I make a landscape, I just want to draw but I don't know how to do it. So in this channel we are going to learn how to sketch, how to draw, how to do DIYs, how to make some arts and craft, do basics and do some professional work. So we are going to start by opening one of the pencil kit by seeing the materials inside. So let's get started. So guys, this is the kit which I'm talking about, the H&B Pencil Kit. And talking about the case first, the case is really nice, really hard and stiff. If all of my materials inside are finished one day, I can still reuse this case. So if I will show you the inside, ta-da! You have almost everything in just one reasonable kit. And I'm going to show you each and every product in this kit. Starting from the first section, we have a metallic sharpener, which is a very nice sharpener. This is having the big side and the small side. You can see this is mostly used for your paper smudges. You can sharpen your paper smudges really well with this sharpener. Then next you have is your pencil sharpener, which is a basic black pencil sharpener. And then you have is your graphite pencils. Your all graphite pencils are present here, from light to dark, all your B's and H. You can create anything. You don't have, of course you have to practice the gradation, but with the help of the shades you can, you don't have to put a lot of efforts in the gradation. And then next thing is your woodless graphite pencil. Here you can see this is total woodless graphite pencil. This is 6B. And then the next thing in the first section is your charcoal pencil, which is soft, medium and hard. And for the basic charcoal sketch, these are enough. You can make some good sketch out of it. So then in the next section you have is your paper cutter. If you do not want to use your sharpeners, you can use a paper cutter, but be really careful, do not cut your hands. And then it is very important product in this kit is your pencil extender. Now what is a pencil extender? A pencil extender is something, if your pencil is really short and you want to reuse it, you can just put your pencil here and start sketching again. Then your paper smudgers. Paper smudgers is one of the medium to smudge your sketches. You have different mediums of smudging your fingers, your tissue paper and earbuds. This is one of the medium and a really easy medium to smudge your sketch. These are pointed enough and really soft, so it blends really easy. So next is your eraser, which is a basic eraser. You can see this is like basic one. Then you have is your 3 graphite sticks. If you do not want to use your graphite pencils, you can use your graphite sticks with the help of your paper smudgers. It is really easy that you use your graphite sticks with the help of smudgers and start sketching. And then another sticks is your charcoal sticks. Again, if you do not want to use your pencils, you can use your sticks. So you have all the alternatives in this kit. So next thing in this kit is your kneaded eraser. So again, what is a kneaded eraser? It is a clay eraser basically. You can just make a tip out of it and rub a very detailed part of your sketch. And then the last thing in this kit is your paper stick, the sandpaper stick. Again, if you do not want to use your sharpeners, your cutter, you can just smudge your pencils here and start sketching. So all in all, you have all the things in one kit and all the alternatives in one kit. And so I'm going to put the link of the product below and you can shop from it, or go to any site, you will find this particular kit. So all in all, you find everything is there in this kit, and especially for the beginners who don't know what to buy, what not to buy, just buy H&B and you are getting everything in this kit. You know, you just don't have to make another kit. I'll buy a pencil box or I'll buy a pouch and, you know, buy different products and put in my kit and I'll make my kit. You got this and you have everything in this. Now I have told you about this kit. The next thing which I'm going to do is that I will make 3 sketches based on the products, based on the H&B products, and I will use only those products which are present here in this kit and nothing else, nothing extra product out of it. So when you'll see the sketches, then I'll make another video in which I will tell you how the products actually work, which is good, which is not good, the alternatives are good actually or not, the pencils are good or not, you know. So you can see my further videos and then you can, you know that you have to buy it or not. So this is Ajita Ratan signing off now. Stay updated and do not forget to like, subscribe and share.